friends, welcome back to the project demonstration 3 on electricity. I hope you enjoyed our previous videos on this same concept, electricity. Now, what we'll be making in this third video is the simple electric motor. The simple electric motor. An electric motor is a simple machine that helps in spinning things around. Electricity helps the motor spin around. Motors are also used in all sorts of applications. The electric motor can be powered by direct current or batteries. An electric car has an electric motor that helps the tires spin around to move the car forward or backwards. Examples of some of the devices that use electric motor include blending machine, can opener, refrigerator, car. At the end of this video, you should be able to know that electricity can be used to make a motor. Have you ever wondered how it is that we have devices that can turn when connected to electricity or batteries? How does your fan spin or your food processor process your food? Anything that turns electricity into motion is called electric motor. What did I call it again? Electric motor. Now, under this project, there are some words you need to learn. And these words are electricity, motor, machine, current. Now, before we proceed, what are the materials we'll be needing to make the electric motor? These materials include a battery, the double-sided tape, electric tape, file clip. This file clip is peeled off to have this. Can you see the difference between these two? These are the file clips. The file clips. And these file clips are peeled off and straightened out to be this. And this is curved into this. You'll be needing 2 of this, which is why I have these 2. Here is the connecting wire, which is turned into this and this. You also be needing the plier. And finally, the magnet. There are different sizes here. The biggest, the bigger, and the big one. So now, let's proceed. Take your battery this way. Your battery has 2 terminals, the positive and the negative terminals. Now, take the folded file clips. You can get this done by asking for help from an adult. Let an adult help you out with this. So now I have 2 curved sides of the file clip, this side and this other side. The 2 file clips are equal. What you do to one is what you do to the second one too. Okay? So now, attach one curved end to one side of the battery, like this. Now that I have done this, I have to hold it down permanently with the electric tape. Be careful not to hurt yourself, and ask an adult for help when fixing this. This has been fixed to the battery. Now take the second foul clip and hold it down to the second terminal of the battery. Repeat what you did on the first terminal of the battery on the second terminal of the battery. Cut out the electric tape and hold this down on the battery. Now that you have done this, this is our wire, which has been made into a circle, a small circle like this. Get our two wires, the two other wires, and attach one end to the circle. You can get an adult to help you out with this. Repeat the same thing on the other side. Are you enjoying the making of the electric motor over there? I'm enjoying it here, as you can see. Okay, this has been fixed and this has been fixed. What is the next thing to do? Okay. Now let's get our double-sided tape. Cut a little out of it. Peel out the insulating part. And stick this to the center of the battery. You'll see what we are needing this for very soon. Okay. But before we proceed, can you guess what this wire can do to the magnet I have here? Let's see. Wow. Did you see that? It stuck to it. Let's see it again. Wow. Okay, so now let's get a small magnet and fix at the center of the battery like this. This is what we need the double-sided tape for. We can as well fix the double-sided tape under the battery so that it can make it stand at one point. Can get an adult to fix this for you. Remember that the foul clips must hold tightly to the battery terminals like this. Okay, so now we have to pass these wires through the tiny holes of the paper clip like this. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? The magnet is attracting the wires, and now that the second magnet is added, can you see how it's spinning? Though yours may not have a very fast movement, but for the fact that it's spinning or it's moving, the aim of the project is achieved. Do you know why there was an attraction between the magnet and the wire coil? Or do you know why the coil was able to spin? That is because magnets generally attract metals, and the coil is a form of metal. There is a force, a magnetic force coming from the magnet, attracting the coil towards itself, and that is why it was able to spin or make any movement at all. Are you making yours already? Hurry up and do so. Now that you have made this awesome project, share with me in the comment section your experience in making this awesome project. And hope you enjoy all the projects under electricity. See you again in the next video.